Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve Android WCAG focus order violations. WCAG 2.4.3, titled Focused Order, states that if a page can be navigated sequentially and the navigation sequence affects its meaning or operation, then focus components receive focus in an order that maintains this operability and preserves this meaning. The intent for the success criterion is to ensure that when users navigate through content sequentially, they encounter information in an order that is consistent with the meaning of the content and can be operated on via a keyboard or other assistive technology. Everyone benefits when the focus order is logical. People with visual impairments can become disoriented when tabbing to a new focus takes them somewhere unexpected, and people with screen magnifiers benefit from not having to rezoom to find the necessary components. There are two main failures of this success criterion. First, failure due to using tab indexing to create a tab order that is not consistent and preserve the meaning of operability. And second, failure to use dialogues or menus that are not adjacent to their trigger control in sequential navigation order. For more info on WCAG focus order violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a focus order violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin, but first, it'd be a big deal if you could like and subscribe. Here we have a focus order violation. Clicking on the object allows us to pull up the screen containing this violation, and clicking on the resource ID allows us to immediately find both the Kotlin and the XML files responsible for this violation. Let's go and spin up our emulator so we can take a look at what this violation looks like within the app. Let's navigate this page using only TalkBack's navigational controls so we can demonstrate this accessibility violation.
2.1.2 Focus 2 button. Focus 1 edit box. Open menu button. Double tap to activate.
Okay, so we found the menu button. Let's see if we can activate this button and then select the first menu item, which should be the next item after this menu.
Dummy button.
Okay, so
Double tap to activate.
So it looks like this is the violation. We're running into a different object that's not the first item of this menu. Let's see if we can resolve this violation. So looking at the code, it appears there are no objects which have their own focus order explicitly defined. Thus, we know that the Android will use a linear focus order going from top to bottom and then from left to right. So as we can see from within the design page, the objects or the menu items appear after the dummy object and to the right of the dummy object. We can resolve this violation by moving these menu objects to be to the right of the open menu object such that they're sequential in focus navigation. Now that we've made some changes, let's try navigating the page using TalkBack's navigation features to see if we've resolved the violation.
2.1.2 Focus 2 button. Focus 1 edit box. Open menu button. Double tap to activate. Item 1 button.
Awesome.
Double tap to activate.
Awesome. So our first object after the open menu is the first item of the menu. And just like that, we've resolved our focus order accessibility violation by ensuring that the menu is the next focus object after the trigger control. What's your favorite accessibility development tip or trick? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and happy developing.